How to grow a garden in a small space, even on a deck or a porch? Hello, my name is Jersey. Today I'm going to discuss the Trough planters from Tractor Supply. Let's get started. If you like this kind of content, subscribe, hit that bell, all notification. Do a quick tutorial on these planter boxes. I got those from Tractor Supply over the summer. I will insert how they looked, the color before, and I wanted to see if these were really worth it to do a container gardening on my back deck, and absolutely yes. My plants did better in these, even though they're not very high, than they did my tall pots. So I have herbs, oregano. This is the pepper plant. It's filled all summer long. Another herb, basil. This tomato plant went all the way up there. Unbelievable. Now I usually bury mine very, very deep. This is shallow. I did not think it would work, but it's the best tomato plant I have ever had, especially in this little container. More herbs, more basil. And even though we had frost last night, I'm still getting peppers on this, and I cut my last tomato off of this one today. And more basil. So I did 4 of these. Absolutely would say it's worth it. And they were toward the end of summer, late summer, so we got a really good deal on them. Holes in the bottom, and before we filled them up, we drilled screws through the bottom of these into the boards, so they're not going anywhere. They're very, 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 very sturdy. We've had high winds up here and nothing has happened. So if you're thinking about something for your back deck, even one of them would be great. And you don't have to have just the color they came with. I live in a 100-year-old log cabin. It's brown enough. I'm tired of all the wood. So actually, I got this box down here from a thrift store, and that was my jumping off point for color-wise. I did the whole porch and the 2 decks back here around these colors. I did a beach theme. I took it all down, and that was my jumping off point for the colors for the deck this year. And I'll leave the tutorials to quite a few of the crafts that I did for the beach and the summer theme below. I cleaned one out. I'm about to plant my tomato plant in it. And it came with 3 pre-drilled holes. See this? That right there is this piece of wood. We put timber bolts and lags in 2 of them. And as you can see, what's great about this, when you water it, it will drip slowly. Water does not puddle in there. So I just wanted to show you. And yeah, this one little plant, usually we'll plant it up to there, but you can see the pictures. I'll insert how big these get in this little thing. So I will put 3 plants in here. A tomato, an herb, and a pepper plant. So I put 3 plants in every one of these. I just wanted to show it to you before I plant it again. It is now exactly 21 days from when we planted on the video just prior. Look how big that this has already gotten. Huge one I grew last year was also grown from him. All my plants are doing so well. And again, here's another tall plant. It's almost full size, but it's going to just keep growing. This plant and this plant I get from a guy that grows them locally and sells them to the hardwares. And then this one I get from the nursery. But this person who grows these tomatoes, phenomenal. And that's how big it is already. And then I have another one from the store, and herbs and peppers. So this is another update. I just wanted to add this quickly before I finish my video. And today is May 16th. And I'm already getting peppers. And a lot of tomatoes are starting to grow already. So I will be having them very soon. And here we have some already. So even though I feel I got a late start, but I'm glad that I did because we had frost late this year. Out front, we have a water wicking system that we have been using for many, many years. I have a complete tutorial, a couple of those. I'll leave the link up there and down below. You really need to check that out too. If you have no place to garden, if you have a bad back like me, this is super easy. Make sure you visit that video. Thank you for stopping by, and please like, share, and comment below. And this is Jersey saying see you on the next video.